Hi guys! So for today's video I'm going to be reviewing a brand that is DokiDoki, and it makes cosplays for anime characters. So if you don't know, I am a big fan of Genshin Impact, and I also loved to watch anime when I was younger, and I also watch Jujutsu Kaisen now, so I guess I still like anime. So I'm going to be putting on the Hu Tao cosplay, so please keep watching to see my review. So first of all, we have this little shirt. I love it. The design is so cute, like it has some Asian pattern, and also then there's the jacket that it has a lot of details. I really love the details on the website, and it really is just the same. So we have the zipper in here. It's a little hard to do that yourself, so if you get someone to help you, it will be better. But yeah, so you have this to hide the seam, and you can see. Wait. So yeah, you have these, and yeah, it comes with accessories. So yeah, so you put this like that, right? And then I saved all the things for these socks. I think they're so cute. You could easily replace them if you don't fit in those. It's really, or if you don't like them, these are perfectly fine. It fits for me. I use a 39 European size, so it just for reference. And it also has this pattern that the shirt has. It came stained a little bit, so I would want to wash it. This goes right here, I guess. I don't know, I don't really know if it goes right there or it goes somewhere, right? and these two go like, this one goes here and the other one goes on the other like sleeve. You also have the vision. I wanted to sew my vision because you have these tiny holes on the back, so it goes right there. I cannot put it. I should have put it before. And also it comes with batteries. I mean, it's empty, but you have to put watch batteries to light the lights that are on. It's really cute. So I don't have any batteries, but yeah, I will try it later. You also have the wristband, the bracelet, and it really suits me well. It's stretchy a little bit, but the pearls go perfectly, so there's barely no space to put any other one. If you do like this, yeah, but it's perfect. And also, since they have changed the version, you have this little metal piece that goes on front, and I think it looks much better than with this thingy. I don't like these kind of things because it doesn't really seem like the cosplay. Like the cosplay should be like that, right? You also have, mine came a little bit squished, right? You can see, and it also came like with one string larger than the other one, longer. But this goes right here, right? And you also have these two little guys that go on these thingies. Yeah, also you have the hat. The hat is really big. I didn't buy any wig because I wanted to have my hair as a form of Hu Tao cosplay, but it's so big that with the pigtails of the wig, I think it will suit better, and it's not sticking, like it's easily going to fall off. But yeah, there you have the hat. You also have metal in here, so you can bend it and it stays like up. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. I might put them just straight, but this is wood. Like, the quality is amazing, and this is like a fabric that is imitating leather, so it's better than other plastics, you know? And of course, we couldn't forget the rings. Hutao has many rings. I don't know the order specifically of the rings, but these two, I think it goes like on the fingers like that. And then I don't really know the order really, so it's really cool that they come with the rings. This is so big. Like, keep in mind that I don't have really big hands. Like, I think I have pretty slender hands, and it's like really big. Like, it doesn't stay, you know? So keep in mind that. The pants. These pants are really cute, but I cannot fit in them. This is horrible. Like, a zipper, it's like this big, like from closing. So this is perfectly fine. Like, I have room in it, but this is, I'm not fitting in it. So what's even the point? I'm going to try to fix it because they are super cute, but yeah, these are mess. They could have done it with the same material as this one, because this one is stretchy and this one isn't. But I don't know, man. I just don't know. That was my review. I really love the cosplay. That the material are super good quality, and I love the accessories, and it's a good price for the cosplay that it is. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more content like this, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I have all my social media on the description down below, and you can leave the comments of which character do you like most from Genshin Impact. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!